Hi everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you how to set a static IP address on Windows 11. So let's start. There are many ways to set the static IP address in Windows 11. But in this tutorial, we use the fastest method to set the static IP address in Windows 11. So first of all, open the Run box by pressing the Windows +R keys. Now here type the ncpa.cpl command and hit OK. Now here you can see your Ethernet or Wi-Fi adapters. You have to select where you want to see the static IP address. In this guide, we are using the Wi-Fi adapter. You will learn the steps to set a static IP address in the Wi-Fi adapter on Windows 11. Select your Wi-Fi adapter and right-click on the Wi-Fi icon, and then select Properties. Now here in this window, you have to find the Internet Protocol version 4. TCP/IP version 4. Find it and double-click on it. Now you can see the Internet Protocol version 4, TCP/IP version 4 properties window. Here select the following IP address, radio button. And then you have to enter the IP address, subnet mask, and default gateway. Here you have to enter the preferred DNS server according to your network infrastructure. This is Universal DNS IP address 8.8.8.8 and 8.8.4.4. After entering the IP address and DNS, you have to click on OK. So that is it. This is the way how to set a static IP address on Windows 11. Thanks for watching this video. Please do subscribe to my YouTube channel so you don't miss out on my future videos. I hope you enjoyed this video. And I will see you in the next video.